Boy, the air is getting a little nippy, y'all, and you know what that means? Pumpkin spice season. Oh yeah. I happen to like the pumpkin spice stuff. Not so much a PSL, but I do like PSPs, pumpkin spice pancakes. That's what's on the menu today, y'all, and you are not going to want to miss it. That's some good groceries. All right, it is time for the PSPs. Now, I like to cheat just a little bit on the pancake mix, okay? I personally like this Krusty's brand mix. It just makes it simple and it's already done for you. If you want to do flour, baking soda, baking powder, and all that kind of good jazz, you know, you can if you want. We'll start out with about a cup and a half of this pancake mix. And now we gotta have some pumpkin because we're doing pumpkin spice pancakes. This right here is just pure pumpkin that I use. And we're gonna use about 3 tablespoons of pumpkin. Oh, pumpkin. Boy, it smells pumpkin-y. Guys, before we get started any further, I want to make some syrup. We're gonna make our own syrup. If you like your own syrup, whatever you have, if it's store-bought, if it's maple syrup, go right ahead. I'm not gonna dish you for it. But we're gonna make our own syrup, and it's a honey syrup, okay? To make this syrup, y'all, super simple. You take 1 part water to 1 part honey. If you wanna add other stuff to it, go right ahead. And all you wanna do here, y'all, is you just wanna basically get this incorporated. You want it to reduce just a little bit. That gets that thickness. And that's pretty much it. All right, now we're back to our pancake and our pumpkin mix. Now we're gonna add our pumpkin spice. And now, these days, because pumpkin spice is kind of a thing, they make pumpkin pie spice already. And we're gonna add about a good teaspoon of that, all right? We're gonna add to this, and I like to use this Uncle Steve shake, and I like to add about half a teaspoon of that. Now, to this mix, I will add about a cup of milk. I'm gonna mix this up. I basically follow the back of the bag for water, but I like to make it a little thicker. Whenever I mix it thicker, they like to rise a little bit better. All right, guys, syrup's done. Pancake mix is over here ready. We even have some sausages going over here. So I feel like with pancakes, you gotta have some sausages or bacon too, whichever you like. Pancakes need butter. That should be a state law. Take our big old bowl and we're just gonna drop our pancake batter right down onto top. After about 3 minutes, our pancakes are ready to flip. And man, look at those things. They are rising nicely. Guys, I think our pancakes are about done. After just flipping them every so often, they are thick, so it takes a little bit of time to get them cooked all the way through. And what I like to do is just take, you can either do a toothpick, or this is a Blackstone infrared thermometer. If it's about 200 degrees, you're good. And you want to put it right in the center. If you pull it out and it's got some batter, some raw batter, you notice to cook them just a little bit longer. But I think we are perfect right here. This is gonna be our base since it's a bigger old boy. Man, look at that color. Beautiful, beautiful color. Let's head on over to the cutting board. Let's finish these out, all right? Boy, that is a stack of pancakes. We're not done yet. We are not done. Do not go anywhere. We're gonna finish these bad boys on out. We're gonna take these 3 right here. I hand-picked these things, okay? And then we're gonna bring in a little bit of butter. A little bit of butter right there. And then like my mama growing up, she used to put butter on in between. Boy, you gotta have it. Good old butter. Now we got our honey syrup, y'all. It's cooled just slightly, still nice and warm. Let's finish this off. A couple of these link sausages right there. And there you have it. Pumpkin spice pancakes. Let's give this a try right quick, y'all. Oh, buddies. Can you see that? Those suckers are moist. Dang, I don't know if I can fit all this in my mouth. Sure I can. I got a big one. Ready? The pumpkin is there. It's subtle, but so delicious. What I do like is how moist these pancakes are. Our spices, spot on. It's not overly powerful. It's just kind of there. This right here is a slam dunk. You, my friends, go get you that pumpkin spice latte, settle up with some of these pumpkin spice pancakes, and I guarantee you're gonna be set up. Y'all, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll find other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.